Have you ever wondered how some channels are exploding on YouTube, raking in millions of views, thousands of followers, and making serious cash, all without revealing their faces? Well, you're in the right place. The biggest secret behind these channels is that they choose the right niches. And guess what? I've got not just one or two, but the top 8 niches that can help you make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. But that's not all. I'll be taking it a step further and showing you how you can create these videos with just a click of a button in less than 3 minutes, thanks to an amazing automation platform. So, stick around till the end of this video, because I've packed it with valuable information and tips that will set you on the path to making thousands of dollars every month on YouTube, face-free. All I ask in return is for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss out on any of our game-changing content coming your way. Ready to dive into the world of YouTube success without showing your face? Let's get down to business. As I said earlier, the first crucial step in making it big on YouTube without showing your face is choosing the right niche. Picking the wrong niche can be a serious setback, and that's why this video is here to guide you. I'll be covering not just the niches, but also examples of successful channels, how they monetize, and the strategies they use to generate content and money. So, what are the best niches that can skyrocket your YouTube career? We're breaking it down for you with the top 8 niches that are incredibly lucrative. The top 8 niches belong to these main 5 categories: wealth, health, technology, travel, happiness. But why these niches? Let's dig into the reasons that make these niches stand out from the crowd. These niches aren't just random picks. They are in high demand, with channels in these niches boasting hundreds of thousands of views. Advertisers are flocking to these spaces to sell their products, making these niches a goldmine for creators like you. And here's the kicker: they have the highest CPM, cost per mile, meaning you'll be making more from ad revenue than other niches. Some of these niches you will earn up to $10 to $30 per thousand views, whereas other niches will make $1 to $2 per thousand views. Additionally, there are alternative ways of generating income in these niches beyond depending solely on ad revenue. 2 alternative methods include affiliate marketing and selling digital products. In affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. This involves sharing unique affiliate links, and when viewers make purchases through these links, the YouTuber receives a percentage of the sale. Selling digital products, on the other hand, involves creating and selling items such as ebooks, online courses, or digital art. The 5 main categories mentioned earlier satisfy these 3 criteria. 1. High demand, thousands and millions of views. 2. Higher cost per mile, CPM. 3. Alternative ways of generating revenue, making them the best options for those seeking to make money on YouTube without showing their face. Now let's delve into particular subcategories within these primary niches. Our first stop on this YouTube journey is the wealth category. And within wealth, there's a goldmine known as the Make Money Online niche. Trust me, this is where the big bucks are rolling in, thanks to its sky-high CPM. Channels like Digital Income Project are making it huge in this niche. They make simple screen recordings and stock videos showcasing various money-making methods online. Now let's see just how much these channels are potentially making. I've got a little secret weapon for you: vidIQ. Click the link in the description box to sign up for vidIQ for free. Once you're in, download the Chrome extension and witness the magic. You'll get a glimpse of the total monthly views of these channels using vidIQ, and trust me, it's eye-opening. Why vidIQ? It's not just any tool, it's a powerhouse for YouTube creators. Not only does it help you analyze your competitors' viewership, but it also turbocharges your own channel growth. The AI features on this platform will blow your mind. Need a channel title? It's got you covered. Struggling with content ideas? vidIQ's got your back with AI-generated scripts and topic suggestions. But that's not all. vidIQ is your secret to dominating the YouTube algorithm. It crafts SEO-friendly keywords that'll drive massive traffic to your videos. Tags? Consider them generated. The site even assists with brainstorming video ideas that resonate with your audience. So if you're serious about taking your YouTube game to the next level and turning those views into cash, vidIQ is one of your ticket to success. Don't forget to hit the link in the description box below, sign up for vidIQ, and watch your channel soar to new heights. Now, with vidIQ, we can get a rough estimate of their YouTube ad revenue. So, for this channel digital income project, using the vidIQ, we can see their monthly views. Their monthly view is 631,000. Divide this by 1,000 views, and you'll get 631. Next, multiply that by the cost per mile, CPM. A channel like this in the make money online niche makes about $20 per 1,000 views. So, 631 times 20 equals $12,620 per month from YouTube ad revenue alone. Impressive, right? But hold on, that's just the tip of the iceberg. These savvy creators aren't stopping at ad revenue. Through affiliate marketing and selling products like ebooks, the cash flow multiplies. Brace yourself. It wouldn't be surprising if they're making up to 2 times the $12,620 from these additional streams. So, when you add it all up, we might be looking at a jaw-dropping $37,860 per month in revenue. Yes, you heard it right. $37,860. It's an absolute game changer and a testament to the incredible potential within the make money online niche. With just a click of a button, you can create videos like this using and seamlessly add AI voiceovers in less than 3 minutes. To start your video creation journey with the power of AI, simply click on the link in the description box below to sign up for your free InVideo AI account. The next sub-niche within the wealth category is cryptocurrency, as seen in the channel Altcoin Daily. With over 1.3 M subscribers, they specialize in crypto news and related contents. They accumulate around 4.5 million monthly views. With a CPM of $30 to $50, Altcoin Daily likely earns about $135,000 monthly from ad revenue. Incorporating additional revenue streams like affiliates and product sales, their total monthly earnings could potentially surpass $250,000. Transitioning to the health niche, the primary subcategory is bodybuilding. An example of such a channel is Flow High Performance, with over 187,000 subscribers. Using vidIQ, the channel pulls in 587,000 views monthly. Applying the basic calculation, divide by 1,000 views and multiplying by a CPM of $15, typical for health content. Flow High Performance earns around $8,800 monthly. They make videos like Exercise vs. Diet for muscle growth and fat loss using animations. Another sub-niche under health is natural remedies. An example is the channel Natural Cures. This channel, with over 800,000 views per month and 3.4 million subscribers, focuses on producing videos on natural remedies. Now we go over to the next category, happiness. In the happiness niche, a notable example is the channel Improvement Pill, which uses video animations. To create similar animations, you can utilize platforms such as Doodly, streamlining the entire process for you. The channel has over 3.5 million subscribers, and using vidIQ, we can see their monthly view is over 1.7 million. Apply our basic maths by dividing 1,700,000 by 1,000 views. It will give us 1,700. From my experience, a channel in this happiness niche earn around $15. So when you multiply 1,007 by 15, it will give us $25,500 just from ad revenue alone. Now think of other alternatives like affiliate marketing. This channel will roughly earn over $70,000 monthly. Moving on to the category of travel, there are numerous specific areas we can explore, but let's delve into one of them. One sub-niche within travel is Travel Guide, exemplified by channels like Joyous Travel, with over 150,000 subscribers. They create videos showcasing beautiful places like amazing places to visit in Belgium, amazing places to visit in Maldives, pulling in around 700,000 monthly views. These videos typically involve a voiceover, and you can gather information for such content from various online sources, with Google being a valuable tool. Now let's shift our focus to the big niche of technology. A sub-niche under technology is artificial intelligence, AI. Within the sub-niche of AI, a notable example is AI Lockup. Despite being relatively new, launched just 8 months ago, it has gained over 100,000 users and 700,000 monthly views. A channel in this niche earns around $20 per thousand views. Using a basic calculation, they make around $14,000 monthly from ad revenue alone. Considering the potential for affiliate marketing and commissions from promoting AI-related tools, they will likely be earning more than twice the ad revenue through affiliate and product sales. This niche presents significant growth opportunities. Another sub-niche in technology category is technology tutorials. A good example is the channel Brett in Tech, which has over 1.3 million followers and gets about 755,000 views every month. This channel focuses on making simple videos that show how to use different technologies and apps. Using our basic math calculation, you'll find that Brett in Tech makes over $15,000 every month from ad revenue alone. They achieve this by recording their computer screen and demonstrating different tools and apps. There are so many websites and apps out there that you can make videos about and make money from. You can even compare one software to another and share your thoughts on which one is better. It's a simple way to create content and earn money at the same time. While there are other sub-niches within the main categories of health, wealth, technology, and happiness which you can explore, these main niches are considered the most lucrative. This doesn't mean you can't succeed in other niches outside health, wealth, technology, and happiness. But for beginners on YouTube, starting with these main categories is advisable. As you gain experience and scale your first channel, you can then explore other niches. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and find links to some of the tools I recommended in the description box.